in the lush, verdant folds of Jamaica's countryside, where the air is scented with the earthy aroma of wet foliage and the distant hum of reggae music floats on the breeze, there lies a story untold. Here, in the heartbeat of rural Jamaica, life pulses at a rhythm dictated not by the ticking of clocks, but by the rising of the sun and the patterns of the rain. This is a tale not of the bustling city streets and tourist-laden beaches, but of the raw, unembellished essence of island life, where every breath and beat is a testament to resilience and vibrant tradition. As we peel back the layers of Jamaica's picturesque postcard exterior, we uncover the throbbing veins of its rural heartlands, a world where challenges are met with communal laughter, and where every hardship is a verse in the larger song of community spirit. This essay ventures deep into the soul of Jamaica's countryside, to celebrate its beauty and confront its adversities, crafting a narrative that honors the spirit of its people and the land they call home. As roosters crow, the day begins in rural Jamaica. Families rise with the sun, starting their day with the brewing of strong, aromatic Blue Mountain coffee. Children prepare for school, often walking long distances in groups, their laughter mingling with the morning air. Farmers head to the fields, tools in hand, ready to tend to crops like yams, bananas, and sugarcane. This is also a time for community interaction, as neighbors may share news and tools, embodying the spirit of cooperation that is fundamental to rural life. The morning is not just a start of a new day, but a renewal of the age-old bond that ties these communities together, reinforcing their resilience and collective spirit in facing the day's challenges. Agriculture is the backbone of rural Jamaica. Vast fields and rolling valleys are dotted with small farms, where traditional farming techniques are passed down through generations. Here, farming is more than sustenance. It is a cultural practice laden with history and pride. Crops like coffee, cocoa, and spices are not only vital for local consumption, but also for export. However, these farmers face significant challenges such as unpredictable weather, limited access to modern technology, and the hardships of market fluctuations. Despite these hurdles, the farming community remains resilient, innovating with organic practices and community-based solutions, showcasing their deep connection to the land and their will to sustain not only their families but also the traditions that define them. In the tranquility of the countryside, schools are often the heart of the community. Despite their rustic exteriors, these institutions are bustling with activity, as children in bright uniforms gather to learn not only academics but also the values of their culture. Travel to school can be a challenge, with some children walking miles to reach their classrooms. This journey, often undertaken with peers, builds a sense of camaraderie and responsibility from a young age. Community involvement is high, with parents and local leaders frequently participating in school activities. This collective effort underscores the community's commitment to education as a beacon of hope for the future. Healing hands, access to healthcare. In rural Jamaica, access to healthcare remains a pressing challenge. Medical facilities are few and often not equipped with the necessary resources. In response, the community often turns to traditional medicine, herbs and remedies passed down through generations, proven over time. Local health practitioners, often respected elders, play a crucial role in healthcare. Their knowledge of natural medicine is invaluable, especially in areas where modern medical help is hours away. Efforts to improve healthcare are ongoing, with initiatives aimed at bringing more doctors to these areas and improving medical infrastructure. Yet, the spirit of self-reliance and communal support continues to be the primary healthcare system for many. Crafts and creations, preserving traditional arts. In the quiet of the Jamaican countryside, the tradition of crafting is a vibrant testament to the island's rich cultural heritage. Basket weaving, wood carving, and pottery are not just art forms, they are stories told through the hands of the artisans. These crafts are pivotal in keeping the cultural identity alive, passed from elder to youth, ensuring that the essence of Jamaican heritage remains vibrant. Moreover, these crafts offer economic benefits, providing a source of income for many families. Artisans often gather at local markets to sell their crafts, turning these spaces into hubs of cultural exchange and economic activity. showcasing the enduring spirit of Jamaican craftsmanship. Market Day, the economic pulse. Market Day in rural Jamaica is a symphony of colors, sounds, and scents. From early dawn, vendors set up their stalls, displaying an array of local produce, spices, and crafts. Here, the community not only buys and sells goods, but also shares news and joys. The market is a critical economic engine, providing small-scale farmers and artisans with the opportunity to earn a living. It is also a social event, where the bonds of community are strengthened through barter and banter. Such gatherings are pivotal, not just for economic transactions, but for maintaining the social fabric of rural life, where every exchange is a reinforcement of community ties. Music and storytelling hold a special place in the heart of rural Jamaica. These forms of cultural expression are more than entertainment. They are the vessels of history, morals, and communal values. Evenings often see communities gather as stories of Anansi, the trickster spider from West African and Caribbean folklore, are told to the delight of children and adults alike. Reggae rhythms often back these gatherings, with impromptu performances reinforcing a sense of identity and continuity. These practices are crucial for the preservation of cultural heritage, ensuring that despite modern influences, the unique tapestry of Jamaican culture remains intact and vibrant. The strength of rural Jamaican communities is most apparent in times of adversity. Whether facing natural disasters, economic hardships, or social challenges, the response is invariably collective. Stories abound of neighbors supporting each other, sharing resources, labor, and knowledge. This communal resilience is not just a survival tactic, it is a profound cultural trait that has sustained these communities through generations. Such spirit is the cornerstone of rural life, ensuring that no matter the challenge, the community faces it together, with a shared belief in their collective strength and mutual support. The dreams of rural Jamaican youth are as vibrant and diverse as the landscape that surrounds them. While many aspire to careers that may take them far from their rural homes, others seek to contribute directly to their communities. Challenges such as limited access to higher education and professional opportunities do exist, yet these young individuals are resourceful and determined. Supported by their communities, many engage in local entrepreneurship or take on roles that support sustainable development. Their aspirations reflect a deep love for their home and a desire to uplift not only themselves but also the communities they belong to. As the sun sets, casting long shadows over the Jamaican countryside, families and neighbors gather. This is a time for sharing, meals, stories, and plans for the days ahead. Evenings are spent under the open sky, where the older generations pass on wisdom and tales to the young, ensuring that the heritage of resilience, community, and culture continues. This is also a time for reflection, for appreciating the day's blessings and strategizing on overcoming any challenges. These gatherings reinforce the communal bonds, ensuring that despite the modern world's pressures, the spirit of rural Jamaica remains undiminished. Rural Jamaica, while rich in culture and community, faces significant challenges. Issues like climate change, economic instability, and the lure of urban migration pose threats to the traditional ways of life. Yet, there is hope. Initiatives aimed at sustainable development, education, and health are gaining momentum, driven by both local leadership and international cooperation. The resilience and creativity of these communities fuel these efforts, aiming not only to preserve, but also to enhance the quality of life. The future of rural Jamaica, thus, rests on a delicate balance of preserving cultural heritage while embracing sustainable progress, ensuring that this paradise is not lost, but rather evolves with time. This journey through rural Jamaica reveals a world of beauty, challenges, and an unyielding spirit. The resilience of its people, their deep-rooted cultural expressions, and their harmonious relationship with the land constitute the true essence of the island. As we reflect on the vibrant life in these communities, it becomes clear that the heartbeat of rural Jamaica is strong, It pulses with a rhythm of endurance, community, and a profound connection to a rich cultural heritage. In appreciating and supporting these rural communities, we not only help preserve a unique way of life, but also celebrate and learn from a model of community and sustainability that the world desperately needs. This is not just the story of rural Jamaica, it is a call to recognize and cherish these vital cultural heartbeats wherever they may beat around the globe. Please explore more videos on Jamaican culture or share your own experiences in the comments section. Thanks for watching.